What's good, Pepper Besties? Your girl just did a little retwist on last night. Okay, you feel me? Period. No, but I had to freshen up my little ginger. Y'all, ginger got a chokehold on me, okay? But anyway, Pepper Besties, if you are not new to this space, you already know we got a talking code, so hopefully y'all figure out what I'm saying. You feel me? Anyhow, y'all, it has been probably 5 or 6 months, give or take, since your girl has done a stack. Your girl has been feeding to do another pepper stack. You feel me? So that's where we're headed. So I'm waiting on my peppers to arrive. Should be no later than Monday, but I started back doing therapy, and I have been for a while now. And some days I have like 7 clients a day, so it can get very busy and time consuming, and it requires a lot of strength and energy. And sometimes, y'all, especially on Poke Day, which is Sunday for me, I'll be out of it, which is not bad for me because I actually take off on Monday, and that allows me to like rest up for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, which are my busier days. Friday, I usually do telehealth appointments only. I work from home on Fridays, so yeah, but Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, sometimes I don't know if I'm coming or going. So y'all, I had to get some NAD. Yes, had to get some NAD because we definitely need energy. Plus that Motsy. That NAD and Motsy together are very powerful. I've done both of those before in the past, and they work tremendously well for me. We are still in maintenance, so everything is going, still maintaining in between 108 and 110, and I'm 4'11". Y'all know I'm a little tiny tot. And Besties, I'm gonna do that 5 amp. We're gonna do that 5 amp, that 5 amp, that 5 amp. I'm super psyched about that. Have y'all done Motsy with NAD plus 5 amp? We're gonna see what it do. Oh, and I can't forget Tesa. I've done a little bit of Tesa before, but didn't stay on long enough. But I was starting to see results after like a month or so. We want to, tighten up and everything a little bit. So yeah, NAD, Motsy, 5 amp, and Tesa. And I'm back on Tirzy and have been for a while. I did like that girl Rita for a little bit, but I had to go back to my Tirzy, y'all. So I've been back on Tirzy for probably a good 6 months, and I'm in maintenance. And like I say, I'm maintaining. We good over here. So what's y'all current stack? What's y'all current stack right now? I want to be nosy. Oh yeah, y'all let me know down below in the comments. Have y'all tried this stack that I'm about to run on my LifeRX? And also, this is for research purposes only, okay? This is not medical advice this way. But y'all, I'm super psyched about my stack, my upcoming stack. So I'll let y'all know, keep you updated with how it's going and everything. I'm about to get out and go get a bite to eat. I did do a video on these lashes for y'all. Y'all look at my little cheer person, ain't it cute? But yeah, I have on a hint of red. I have on red, black, and white Nikes as well. Mostly all black. So, but happy losing, happy getting fine, happy getting healthier. Okay. Get ahead of something to talk about, you feel me? But nah, y'all, I love y'all. And Vegas just went from being freaking 30 and 40 degrees last week to having snow in like Summerlin. And on the mountains, we actually had snow, y'all. Hella windy. And today, beautiful, bright and sunny. It's 55. But with the sun shining so bright, because it was actually rainy, like we got it all on last week. So I'm happy to have the sun again, okay? The ginger is gingering, but your girl is going to let y'all go, okay? Later.